Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Valentine's photo dump using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot video editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project, select new, and then you can choose some photos from your gallery. And for instance, I'm going to choose photos from this folder. Okay, and I'm just going to pick random photos from here. I'm just going to choose this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, you can choose as many as you can or as many as you want, and then we can change the duration of the photo. If you want to change the duration at once, you can go to the duration, and then for example, I'm just going to make it 1.5 seconds and click on this double check mark to apply it to all your photos. Okay, and then I'm going to add music to this project. I'm going to go to the audio and then select music, and then you can choose the love category. Okay, I'm going to select this one for example. Okay, I'm going to click on use. All right, and then we can adjust the transition to the music. You can go to the audio and then you're going to add beat mark. Okay, I think that's enough. And then I'm going to adjust the audio with the beat mark. Okay, like this guys. Okay, and it's almost done. All right, and then I'm going to play it. Okay, and I'm going to add text. Okay, I'm going to add in and out animation. Okay, like this. And you can add effect to your video to make it more captivating. You can go to the effect, select effect, and then I'm going to apply, wait, for example, this one, classic effect. You can add another effect if you want, but I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to select video end to apply the effect to all the clips I have. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and once you're ready to export it, you can click on export and you can choose the resolution and just click on export. And before it, you can remove the watermark if you want. Okay, you can choose free remove. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Valentine's photo dump using InShot video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.